Hi, my name is Carlos Hernandez. This is Luis Ramirez from San Diego, California. We're doing a scene from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia.
The episode is called Dennis Looks Like a Child Molester from Season 3.
And action. Can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah.
What's up with that?
I don't know, man. Some list.
That's weird. That's very weird.
He's being weird.
What's up with that correspondence list?
I don't know. I mean, who are these people? Judge Hatcher? District Attorney Matthews? Warden Phillips?
What? I think he's killing those people.
Charlie.
Holy shit, man. He's killing those people. And he's probably eating them too. And I know I think eating people is pretty cool, but now when we're involved,
He's not killing them.
not cool. We're accomplices.
No, we're not. He told me these are people from the past and he's got to take care of them. Once he's done taking care of them, he's going to take care of me. Oh, no. Doesn't sound good.
That doesn't sound good for you at all, bro.
I'm on the list, of course, and... Uh-oh!
What?
Number 12, Charlie.
What? Why am I in there? I don't belong in there. That's bullshit. You don't put someone on a list. Rip it up, man. Rip it up. You think you memorized it? Of course you memorized it. That's foul. I don't belong on a list. It's a heroin thing. Remember he asked us to put heroin in our butts and sneak it into prison? Now he's all hot and bothered because we didn't do it?
I ain't putting
You don't do
heroin in my
that. You don't eat someone because they don't put heroin in their ass.
All right. Let's go.
Ah!
Here, help me out.
Red.
Are you sure it's red?
I'm sure it's red.
Here, hold on to this one.
Ah! Let's go.
I got it.
Ah! And scene.
I'm hungry.